Frontline Sheet Metal, we understand that you require fast and reliable fabrication. To give you the best possible service, we have invested in the latest fast and accurate CNC laser cutting equipment. To increase efficiency further, we have coupled this with a fully automated material handling tower, automated nozzle changer and nozzle cleaning system. By staying up to date with our machinery investment, we get the reduced energy and gas consumption that comes with modern equipment. This means Frontline can bring you fast, accurate and more efficient fabrication of a wide range of sheet stock at much lower costs. Find out more about our CNC laser cutting service and the wide range of other sheet metal fabrication we offer at www.frontlinesheetmetal.com or by calling 01202 875 401.